Jaikodi Nagaraj, please go ahead.
Good evening, everybody, and thank you for this opportunity. I would like to first give my gratitude to God and Ruma ma'am and Gurudath sir for giving me this opportunity. It's like God. It's for me like God has sent you all, because before joining these groups, I was in a very big mess up stage. Health was not okay. I was not performing well, all those things. But after attending this morning routines, it has really, though I used to get up early, but before attending this routine and all, I used to be always irritated. I know,
Yeah.
not focusing, not doing things. Uh, Everything used to be there. I used to not know how to plan my things and do things. But undergoing this morning routine, it has made very clear instruction to me, telling take one step at a time, start
Yeah.
working towards that, how you can go ahead. That has really helped me in my career. If if I see my 30 days progress, what I have started assessing and to say, because last time when I attended, as my job is something where I have been given a target, I used to always think the bigger target in my mind. Every month my
Yeah.
target was used to be big. Oh my God, I have to raise this much. But after attending your session, the way you told, enjoy your steps, enjoy your journey, not to think about the results, that will automatically come. Now that has helped me to break down the targets and say, okay, each day how much it is, am I achieving? For achieving that, what? It has really helped me, like, even planning, like when initially when I was attending, when they were telling write down your task, what you want to achieve, I used to put a big list of tasks, which later I, after 2 3 days, I was realizing that whatever I'm writing, I'm not able to achieve, or I'm
Yeah.
doing half the job. So later on, I think in one of the meetings, Vedant sir also told, like, okay, just take the task which you think you'll be able to achieve. Just put 2 3 tasks in a day, so that. So later I started working. Okay, then I thought, okay, let me decide which task will be the toughest task. Put it in the morning, because you have that energy in the
Yeah.
morning. You're clear. You will finish that task. Then take up the other task. That has
Correct.
really helped, sir. And
Yeah.
now almost like 4 5 projects in my pipeline have able to complete it, and I've told, okay,
Wow.
now. And the other
Great.
thing which has helped me is how I could share with my co-colleagues also. Previously, I used to think I am the one who have to do everything, because I'm the line manager, I have to manage it. So I used to take the entire burden. But I used to see other managers relaxing, enjoying. I could not understand how that was happening, but this morning routine has really helped me to understand and tell me, okay, give the job, trust in your colleagues, give it to them, let them come back. Then it in a way also helped my colleague to build their capacities also. Somewhere
Yeah.
I was thinking, okay, I was the block not letting them to grow or something. So this
Yes.
has cleared everything to me. But one drawback, what I still find is I'm not able to complete my classes, because the travel is so much, like I'm not able to give my time to complete the packages. And also I thought, let me see how I can make use of my Saturdays, Sundays. So I
Yeah.
put a time telling 2 hours. I will give it somehow where I can sit and see the modules, work towards it, so that
Yeah.
I can understand what is that exciting me, or what I can do more, so that
Yeah.
I can achieve. Thank you very much. My
Great.
only thing was morning routine. The exercises, like, body exercise, I'm not able to do, but
No
I
problem.
the breathing exercise has really helped me.
Yeah.
That is one thing which I don't want to miss at all, because that, even when in office, when I get tensed or I do not know how to proceed, I just relax for 10 minutes, do this breathing thing, and then when I do that, I calm myself, then the steps follows to me. Okay, let us
Yes.
do first this, let us do first.
Correct.
That breathing exercise has really helped me in uh, when a problem comes. Before, I used to react immediately, not even understanding what is the problem. But
Hmm.
now I can slowly think. I pause. I put that problem a pause for a few seconds, then breathe, then I take up the steps. So this is what has really helped me last 1 month. Thank you very much to everybody for supporting me in this. Thank you.
Great. Don't worry. It's just the beginning, It's going to go only up and up now onwards.
Thank you very much.